Okay, welcome everyone. Today we're doing a deep dive, really designed to help you get up to speed quickly on branding and digital marketing.
Yeah, without getting totally bogged down, right? We're pulling insights from some expert talks.
Exactly. Sourced from Hello and Welcome to Speech English and No More 2.pdf.
Mm.
And our mission, well, it's pretty straightforward. Grab the key takeaways on building a strong brand, effective digital stuff, and content that actually connects.
Sounds good. Where should we start? Because, these things are so interconnected.
Totally. Let's start with the foundation.
Yeah.
Brand identity. Branding expert Rachel Lee really emphasized this.
Ah, yes, the core. You absolutely need a clear purpose, those core values.
Right, your mission, vision, even the brand's personality. It's the why behind everything,
Once you've sort of nailed that down,
Sure.
then you can craft your positioning statement.
which is like your brand's elevator pitch.
Exactly. Short, sharp, defines your unique value and who you're talking to. It stakes your claim.
Makes sense. And Rachel also talked a lot about storytelling, not just facts and figures.
Oh, definitely. It's about that emotional connection. Using stories to show your values, your mission, that's what sticks with people.
So you build this strong brand story.
Mm.
How do you get it out there effectively? That leads us to digital marketing, I guess.
It does. And David Kim, the digital marketing expert, highlighted a few key areas. Social media, obviously, content marketing, which we'll touch on more, and email marketing, too.
But it's not just doing them, is it? It's about understanding the audience for each channel.
Precisely. Tailoring the approach is crucial. What works on, say, Instagram might fall flat on LinkedIn.
Totally different vibe. And how do you know if any of this is actually working? David mentioned tracking things.
Yes, metrics are vital. Things like website traffic, sure, but also engagement rates, likes, shares, comments. Are people interacting?
And ultimately, conversion rates. Are those clicks turning into customers or leads? Using data analytics tools is key here.
Couldn't agree more. And something David really stressed, which sometimes gets a bit overlooked maybe, is SEO.
Search engine optimization, making sure people can find you online.
Yeah, when they're actually searching, it boosts your visibility, drives the right kind of traffic, super important.
Okay, so strong brand, smart digital strategy.
Yeah.
But you need fuel for that strategy, right? Which brings us to content.
The actual stuff you put out there. And Emily Taylor, the content expert, had some great tips.
What stood out?
First, really know your audience, like intimately. What do they need? What interests them?
Goes back to tailoring again.
It does. And tell stories. Just like with the overall brand, people connect with narratives.
And visuals. She mentioned visuals, didn't she? Catching the eye.
Absolutely. Visuals can make a huge difference in cutting through the noise. And Emily also had a smart tip about repurposing content.
Getting more bang for your buck.
Kind of, yeah. Take a blog post, maybe turn the key ideas into a short video, or a few social media snippets.
Smart. Work smarter, not just harder.
Exactly. It stretches your effort further.
And this content, it's not just filler, is it? It's actively building your brand.
For sure. It's how you build awareness, establish your voice, your specific tone. It shows who you are.
So pulling it all together, what's the main takeaway for our listeners here?
Well, I think it's seeing how these three pieces, brand identity, digital marketing, and content, aren't separate silos. They have to work together.
Your brand purpose should guide your digital choices.
And your content is what brings that brand to life online. It all loops back to knowing your why and knowing your who.
Understanding purpose and audience. Got it.
That's the core, really.
So a final thought for everyone listening. Think about how consistently you're applying these ideas across all your platforms.
Good point.
Consider that amplifying effect when your brand, your marketing, and your content all sing the same tune. That's how you build those really strong, lasting connections we've been talking about.